Earn passive income by opening free Demat and trading account. Just open 5 paise Demat and trading account with zero opening charges. After opening Demat account, just share your link to your friends. Get rest 200 by recommending your friends and others to open Demat account. Get lifetime brokerage sharing income 12.5% as passive income. After opening your trading account, share your referral link to your friends by WhatsApp, broadcast list, Facebook and other social media. You will get referral income and brokerage sharing income 12.5%. To open 5 paise and icici Demat account, I given account opening link in descriptions. If any queries, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.